Hi, it's Kathy with Hearts of Mount Zion, here to demonstrate how to make an online donation for the church. Um, Notice you will have to go to the church website, which is heartsofmountZionUMC.org. Once you're there, this is the site, this is the page that you will see. Go over to the donate tab and click on that button, and notice I'm working from my laptop. It may be a little different if you're working on your phone. All right, so we're going to scroll up, and we're very grateful to any donations that you would decide to make for the church. And notice online giving. You want to click the box below. So we're going to click that box. It takes you to the Continue to Give app. This is the application that the church is using to accept online donations. So we're going to scroll it up, and you can see you can put your gift amount in here. You would just simply click that, type in the amount that you want to put in or donate to the church. Whether it's a one time or you want to set up recurring donations, you can type the amount here. And this is the key right here. It's going to be designated to. If you click on that, you'll see Hearts of Mount Zion United Methodist Church. If you don't want to designate or have any um, preferences as to where your money goes, then you can just leave it there. Notice we have Easter Lily order in this selection box, and you can donate to the Family Life Center, or you can just go straight to tithes and offerings, whichever meets your um, requirement. For this demonstration, I'm going to select the Easter Lily, and you could select Easter Lily, type in your amount, of course, your personal information, your debit card, your expiration date, the digit, code, your name, your first and last, and your email address, and your personal mailing address as well. And then notice for this demonstration, the message box for the Easter Lily donations, we want it to be in honor of person's name or in memory of person's name. The Easter Lily donations are $10 per person. So in the message box, you can designate how you want your money split up in honor of or in memory of and the name of that person. Then simply click the button Give, and you're done. Thank you and have a blessed day. You can also call the church office if you have any questions at 985 643 3555. Thank you. Have a blessed day.